My favorite feature on USA Test Prep and the thing that I use the most um, is this progress report button here for the class. Now, I showed you earlier how to see the individual student's progress reports when you're in student view, but when you're in teacher mode here, if you click on the progress report for your class, it pulls up this menu here where you, as a class, you're able to see how overall your students are doing with each indicator of the standards that are provided, what areas they're struggling with, what areas they're doing really well with, which is very helpful for adjusting your instruction and trying to find new materials to use. Um, but what you can also do up here at the top, instead of looking at the class ranking, you can look at the individual student dots. And so what it will do is it will break down all of the indicators across the top. It goes all the way through all of them, and then down the side are the individual students. And so I can look across and I can see across the board where areas of weakness are, or maybe where areas that we haven't covered are. So for example, if I look right here at for writing, for concluding and call, conclude and call indicator, very little work has been done. Only one student has any kind of proof of proficiency in this area. And so what I might do, once I notice that, is I can choose this as a section to add some work for. So I can click on this dot here and this indicator um, and create an assignment. I'll need to, now right now it's only got for that one student, so I'll need to select the entire class, but I can go in now and provide them an assignment based off of that indicator. I can go through all these steps to do that. I would probably make it a group assignment so I can do more than one assessment. Um, and I would be able to go into my English test here and choose practice based off of that one indicator. So it was the writing standard, and it was the, let's see, conclude and call indicator, which is, where is it? Conclude and call. And I'll be able to, at this point, click in and find some videos that they could write. Let's see, closing sentence, I'll do that. And writing a conclusion. And then I can add in a few performance tasks, providing a concluding statement, and we'll leave it at that. And then I'm going to also include 10 random questions to close it out to make sure they understand how this works. So it's a great way to find new ways to give assessments if there are certain indicators that they need to work with. And so I think that's a very helpful thing to have.